Hello. Welcome to part 2 of the Provider Web Portal Training video series. This video will cover logging into the PWP and navigating the home page, which includes using the Secure Correspondence feature. In the first section of this training, a walkthrough of logging into the PWP will be provided. Prior to logging in, you must be registered on the PWP. This registration is separate from enrollment and is not done automatically. For guidance on how to register on the PWP, please view part 1 of this video series. There are 2 ways to navigate to the PWP to begin logging in. First, navigate to the Nevada Medicaid website by visiting medicaid.nv.gov. Next, click the PWP, formerly EVS, tab in the navy blue navigation bar at the top of the page. Finally, click the second choice, Provider Login, PWP. Typing the direct link into the URL bar of your chosen web browser will also take you to the EVS provider portal. The link is shown on your screen, https://www.medicaid.nv.gov/hcp/provider/home. You may also find a link with the enrollment key in the LMS tip sheet, found on the provider training page of the website. Once you have navigated to the PWP login page, you may access your account by first entering your user ID and then your password. Click the Forgot Password or Forgot User ID links if you need to recover either. Click the Login button once the user ID and password are complete. The multi-factor authentication verification page will appear. As shown in part 1 of this video series, this user chose the SMS text message factor to authenticate. Should you not have access to this device, please call the contact center at 877-638-3472. If you have any other questions on MFA, please use our self-service options, such as the FAQ, found on the Nevada Medicaid website. Click the Send Code button if you are able to authenticate through this option. Enter the code into the appropriate field and click the Verify button. Once you have provided identity verification and entered your password, the My Home page will display. The next section will show you how to change the factor used to verify your identity to another available option. Click the My Profile link on the left side of your screen. Scroll to the bottom. In the multi-factor authentication section, click the Reset Factor button. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you would like to delete your current factor. If you choose yes, the system will log you out of EVS and take you back to the login page. You must log back in to reset your chosen factor. Once the login page appears, log back in and choose a new authentication method using the steps given during part 1 of this video series, registration. In this section, we will explore the PWP homepage. Some links will be explored more deeply in other parts of this video series. Once on the home page, verify all the provider information located on the left margin of the screen. If this provider information is incorrect, you should contact the help desk by clicking the Contact Us link on the right side of this page. Right below the contact link on the PWP home page is the Secure Correspondence link. Clicking Secure Correspondence will take you to your mailbox. This mailbox is primarily used as an alternative to calling into Nevada Medicaid with customer service inquiries and as a place to submit claim appeals. Click Create New Message to begin. The Secure Correspondence, Create Message panel will appear. First, read the information found at the top of the page. You will then need to complete all of the required fields marked with a red asterisk. Complete the subject field with an appropriate subject for your message. The message category selection from the drop-down will determine the fields that populate on the page. For detailed information on properly completing a claim appeal through Secure Correspondence, please consider registering for a virtual training on the Nevada Medicaid Learning Management System, found at the URL on the screen. This example will use the other message category. The email field will populate based on the profile information of the current logged-in user. Click the Confirm Email field to retype the email listed in the field above. Enter the message into the message field. Click the Send button. A pop-up will appear confirming the message was sent. Click OK to clear the pop-up. The message will populate in the top row of your message box. Additionally, whenever a new message is sent through Secure Correspondence, a confirmation email will be sent to the address associated with the logged-in user as well. The first column of the message box will tell you whether the status is open or closed for the message. The CTN, also known as Contact Tracking Number, may be used as a reference in contact with Nevada Medicaid. You may access your messages by selecting the individual linked subject. The message category will match what you selected in the Secure Correspondence drop-down menu, and the date will reflect when you sent the first message. The last activity date is important because you will not get an email when there is a response in Secure Correspondence. This date will change when a response is received. View the response by clicking the link subject. To return to the home page, click back to My Home on the right of the message box title bar, or My Home above the message box in the breadcrumbs. As we continue to explore the many features and resources on the home page, we would like to highlight the quick reference guides. These guides will list all of the idiosyncrasies about navigating and using the PWP, such as character limits for fields, how many service lines can be input, and much more. The last feature of the PWP homepage explored in this video is the Affiliated Providers link. Here, providers and delegates can see individuals and group providers they are associated with. For more information on affiliated providers, see Part 7 of this video training series. The last two features to be highlighted on the home page can be found in the Provider section at the top left. The My Profile link can be used to change the display name, contact information, challenge questions, and password. As a reminder, changing contact information in the PWP does not update the contact information from the enrollment application at this time. To do so, an update must be submitted through Online Provider Enrollment or OPE. For more information on managing profiles, please view Part 9 of this training series. The final link in the Provider section will say Manage Accounts or Switch Provider, depending on your role. Providers, also known as administrator users, will see Manage Accounts while delegates will see Switch Providers. Please view Part 10 of this video training series to learn more about how administrator users can manage delegate and trading partner accounts, and view Part 8 to learn more about delegate users switching between providers. Thank you for watching Part 2 of the PWP training video series. Please explore the other videos in this series for more information on the topics listed on the screen. This concludes this installment of the PWP training video series. Should you require further assistance, please contact Gainwell Technologies, the fiscal agent for Nevada Medicaid, by phone or email. The contact center may be reached at 1-877-638-3472. Emailing Nevada Provider Training at gainwelltechnologies.com will connect you with the field service team. Please include your NPI and other pertinent information to be routed to the appropriate representative. Further information related to Nevada Medicaid can be found on the website at medicaid.nv.gov. This video was produced by Gainwell Technologies on behalf of Nevada Medicaid. Thank you for watching.